Before you begin, I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you will not miss any of our entertaining videos to take care of your health.
How to make ginger wraps and burn belly fat overnight. We all know that the weight loss process is extremely hard and difficult process, right? We can easily say that the most important reason for that is because we all love food, and the real and ugly truth is that you've probably tried different diet plans, gym, running, etc. But you already know that you can't do anything if you don't eat healthy and drink plenty of water. Fortunately, we are going to show you a simple trick that includes ginger wraps, and it will help you speed up the weight loss process and lose weight much faster, especially that stubborn fat tissue around the abdominal area. But don't worry, because we're going to help you. Yes, today is your lucky day, because in this article we are going to show you how to make this amazing ginger wraps, which will help you get rid of that stubborn abdominal fat overnight. This homemade method is very simple. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Note, the fat around the abdominal area is the hardest part to burn, in it, my friends, is a fact. You have to exercise every day, eat healthy, drink plenty of water, sleep, and of course, try this simple, but extremely effective trick. As we said, this ginger compress method is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: -1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger or ginger powder, -5 tablespoons body lotion, plastic wrap towel, elastic bandage. Preparation: as we said, it's very simple. Here's what you need to do. You need to soak a towel in warm water and wrap it around the area where you want to apply the ginger compress. Then, leave it on for 5 minutes. It will open up the pores. Then, you need to mix the ginger with the body lotion and apply it on the affected area. After that, you need to use the plastic wrap to wrap the area a few times. And finally, you need to place the elastic bandage over the plastic wrap. Leave the compress on for at least 6 hours. If you want to get the best results out of this treatment, you should apply it before you go to sleep, and remove it when you wake up in the morning. And you shouldn't be worried if you experience tingling at the beginning. It means that this method is working. You will be amazed by the results. This simple, but effective method will help you get rid of the stubborn belly fat. This means that you should definitely try this simple trick. It's cheap, easy to make, and extremely effective.
If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.